In front of me is Xiaomi 13 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications on this Xiaomi. You need to begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Notifications and Control Center. In it, choose App Notifications and tap on Sort By. Then click on the best option for you. I will go with Number of Notifications. After that, just click on the switcher next to one of your apps from which you want to block them, like Gmail. You can turn them back on the same way. If you want to, you can always just click on your app instead and manage all notifications thanks to this switcher next to Show Notifications. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!